Awning windows are a popular choice for homeowners looking to improve ventilation, energy efficiency, and modern appeal. Their top hinged design allows fresh air to enter while helping keep moisture out. However, the true performance of awning windows depends not only on their design but also on how well they are installed. For homeowners in Loves Park, professional installation plays a critical role in ensuring awning windows deliver long-term comfort and reliability. Why installation quality matters. Even the highest quality awning windows can underperform if installed incorrectly. Gaps, misalignment, or improper sealing can reduce energy efficiency and allow air or moisture to enter the home. Professional installation ensures that awning windows fit precisely within the opening and operate as intended. In Loves Park homes, where seasonal weather changes affect comfort, proper installation helps maximize window performance from day one. Ensuring a tight, weather-resistant seal. One of the key advantages of awning windows is their ability to seal tightly when closed. Professional installers carefully align the window and apply proper weather stripping to prevent air and water infiltration. For Loves Park homeowners, this tight seal helps protect against drafts, rain, and humidity, improving indoor comfort and energy efficiency. Maximizing energy efficiency. Awning windows are known for their energy-efficient design, but improper installation can compromise this benefit. Professional installers ensure insulation is properly placed and gaps are sealed to prevent heat transfer. In Loves Park, professionally installed awning windows help maintain stable indoor temperatures and reduce heating and cooling costs throughout the year. Preventing moisture-related issues. Improper installation can lead to water pooling or leaks around the window frame. Professional installers ensure proper drainage and flashing to direct water away from the window opening. For Loves Park homeowners, this prevents moisture damage, mold growth, and structural issues that can result from poor installation. Smooth operation and long-term durability. Professional installation ensures that awning windows open and close smoothly. Proper alignment of hinges and hardware reduces wear and tear, extending the lifespan of the window. In Loves Park homes, this attention to detail helps homeowners avoid operational issues and costly repairs down the road. Protecting home value and appearance. Poorly installed windows can detract from a home's appearance and reduce its value. Professional installers ensure clean lines, proper trim, and a polished finish. For Loves Park homeowners, professionally installed awning windows enhance both interior comfort and exterior curb appeal. Safety and structural integrity. Awning windows must be securely fastened to withstand daily use and weather exposure. Professional installers reinforce the window frame and ensure it is properly supported. In Loves Park, this structural integrity adds peace of mind and long-term reliability. The professional advantage for Loves Park homes. Professional installation is essential for getting the most out of awning windows. From energy efficiency and moisture protection to smooth operation and durability, expert installation ensures awning windows perform as intended. For Loves Park homeowners, working with professionals delivers comfort, confidence, and lasting value.